UDO for SAP PI PO, Analytics and Documentation Software. SAP started their integration platform journey around 20 years ago. From the early tentative steps with XI, they've been continuously improving their offerings into the mature process orchestration, or PO, that we know today. With well over 10,000 installations globally, it is clearly a success. And of course, they're continuing making huge strides with their cloud integration offerings in the recent years. But especially in the earlier releases, it was difficult to work with XI and even with PI and PO. So many resorted to using APIs and web services. But these were poorly documented and buggy. Thankfully, the SAP community worked together. There are dozens and dozens of blogs on how to get the most out of these APIs. However, the use of these APIs involves quite some effort and duplication of effort. We saw an opportunity to make things better. In 2012, we created UDO for SAP PI PO, and just over a year later, in early 2014, we were presenting at the German SAP user group in Stuttgart. Our first customers had been actively using these APIs, and it was clear to them the benefits of using UDO. UDO is a client software application that calls all the directory APIs and some others, and presents the data in an Excel-type UI. All your PI/PO interface data at your fingertips. We realized with this interface data we could offer a valuable feature. So, who really cares about interface documentation? Well, if you're in a regulated environment, it's mandatory to document your interfaces. And it's kind of useful when you're moving interfaces to another platform. But developers certainly don't care. The documentation created is typically incomplete, inconsistent, and quickly out of date. It's for this reason that most companies using SAP PI PO don't even bother with documentation. But with UDO, you can document your interface at the click of a mouse. In fact, you can document all your interfaces in one go at the click of a mouse. And this includes mapping documentation that can be read by non-technical people, which we built up into the unique message mapping comparison feature. Is there a catch? Well, no, not really. UDO is simple to install and easy to use. You can be extracting your interface data and creating documentation within minutes. But UDO is not just about documentation. Its many unique features enables your developers, your operations, your quality IT team to deliver better integration. And it offers terrific value for money. Some of our larger customers have saved hundreds of thousands of dollars by using UDO. Are you interested in finding out more? Contact us now and we can arrange for a demo and answer all your questions. You can find us on the SAP Store, or you can visit us on our homepage. Thank you.